flip chart is one that will highlight the fact that, especially in a win-lose scenario, we never split the difference. Firstly, a question for the group. Why do we think people do tend to look at splitting the difference? Correct. And with your facilitator, you'll have got to the point that it is inherent in the fairness. So we've got a scenario here. The buyer opens at 2, the seller is at 10. They say, look, how about we just split the difference, which takes us to $6, correct. Depending on whether you're the buyer or the seller who makes the suggestion, the following next step would make sense. If the buyer makes the suggestion and you're the seller, you say, thank you very much. That's something I can't do, but clearly if you've mentioned 6, you can do 6. But as a seller, what I can do for you is split the difference between the 2 here, and I can meet you at 8. Conversely, if you are the buyer and it's the seller that makes the suggestion, you say to the seller, thank you very much for that, appreciate it. Clearly, you've mentioned 6, you can do 6. I can't do 6, however, but I will split the difference between the 2 here with you, and I will make it to 4. Be mindful of splitting the difference, because you can see here the swing that you can have one way or the other, depending on who makes that suggestion and who blinks first. Never split the difference in a negotiation. Remember, that is someone getting inside your head and attempting to appeal to your sense of fairness. If you do it consciously, that's a different matter.